Hey, Karis, look at Mom. Look. I want to see the front. I want to see your apron. What does the front of your apron look like? Can I see? No. No, you're going bye-bye? Where are you going to go see? You're going to go see fireworks? What are the fireworks like? Do the fireworks go up in the sky? What do they do when they're up there? What do they do when they go up in the sky? Yeah? Are they quiet or loud?
Loud.
They're loud. Are you going to cover your ears? Whoa! Karis, look, there's a firework right there. Do you see it? Pretend? Whoa! Boom!
Oh, I see it right here!
Yeah, you saw the firework right there? Oh, it was loud? Oh, there's so many fireworks. Okay, turn right here so we can go watch the fireworks from our porch. Yeah, we gotta go watch the fireworks from up here.